Down here in Pearl, Mississippi. Finna try the spot Yummy. Yummy. I call them Yum Yums. My daughter and them be eating here a lot. I done tried it once or twice, I think it is. But I'm finna give y'all the reviews on, you know, what it look like. Yeah, I'm walking in. Pretty nice, laid back, low key. Oh, yeah, about to place that one. Hey y'all, why when I ordered, it just popped in my head to say, cause I ordered chicken fried rice. It just popped in my head to say, let me get some chicken fried rice. I don't know why that popped in my head. Let me get some chicken fried rice. It's your boy Cash the Archangel. I'm back with another truck bang mukbang. I just stopped at the little spot called Yummy's. I call it Yum Yum. Down here in Pearl, Mississippi. Right off Highway 8, right by the Planet Fitness. Y'all check it out. Yeah, I went and got some chicken fried rice. Shout out to Uncle D-No. This it. Your chicken fried rice, baby boy. I got some vegetable egg rolls. And I got a salad. You know what I'm saying? We gonna dive in and see what they work with. Morning prayer, gotta do my prayer, baby. You gotta pray before you eat. You don't know who cooking this food. So I just wanna thank you. Bless the hand that's cooked this food. That prepared this meal for your boy. Germs, all type of dangers, enemies that's been over this. Father God, bless this food that you anointed, covered it in your blood, Father, and nourish it into my body. It's all of this, Father. Amen, amen, amen. We finna dive in, baby boy. See what they like. See what's up with it. Let's see what's up. Yeah, that's him. That's him. We're gonna break him. Chicken a little. It ain't moist, but it's okay. But overall, it's straight. It's straight. We're gonna get this about 6.5. Try this vegetable egg roll. It's alright, man. I ain't feeling it like that. Gotta stay hydrated, baby boy. That's right. That's right. They gave me some kind of spice sauce for my salad. Try that on there. Put a little bit on there, see what it's working with. I don't know if I'm gonna like this or not. You know, I ain't too quick to try different stuff. See what this salad working with. Gonna see what this bite like, America. It's alright, man. This'll go though. I eat. Not too much sauce though. Just a little bit, just to give it a little flavor, you know what I'm saying? You never want too much sauce. Well, dressing is a lot of fat. You don't want that. Now them vegetable egg rolls, I don't advise nobody to get them. I usually get the donuts they have with the little sugar on the top, but I'm trying to leave all this sugar alone, baby. Trying to get fit. I'm about to leave that sugar alone. You know, just fresh out the gym, you know. Had to put some on their stomach. I said, I'm about to pull out. Wife was like, where you at? I said, I'm in Pearl, baby. I've been enjoying this, running this gym, workout, taking a shower, then I'm gone. She's like, what? You in Pearl and you didn't come home? I said, because I didn't want you to run up here, pick me up, take me all the way back home, take a shower, work out, take a shower, then turn around and bring me all the way back up here. Because I'm coming right back home the weekend. So, you know. Well, at least Sunday. Yeah, I don't like these bro. But the texture of the wrap, it kind of goes with the food, you see what I'm saying? But as far as in the taste, it got a little tangy taste to it. The rice, hit it. I'm gonna tell you the best combo though. Get you some rice, shrimp fried rice without the shrimp. Don't get the shrimp. Well, you can get the shrimp if you like shrimp. Go to Waffle House and have them to cook you a grilled chicken. Cut it up and put it in there. What? That thing's so juicy, bro. See, they don't know how to do that chicken right. Go to Waffle House. Have them cook you a grilled chicken. Tell them you want it juicy. Right, Waffle House, they gonna have that thing so right, bro. And when you cut it up and drop it in there and mix it up, different. This side here too now. You don't have time. You just get yummies. Chinese place, whatever. Sooner or later, I'm gonna give me a better table, better lighting. So y'all can really see. Right here, all right though. The juice is dropping on me. It's the sauce, baby. I'm gonna try a little bit on here. You know what I'm saying? Might make that chicken right. Let it drip on there. Let it drip on there. Oh boy, we got some. We got some. What? Oh, we got some now. don't want to go to Waffle House, tell them to give you some of that salad sauce and let it drip on out. Y'all didn't see that. Let it drip on that, baby. Don't act like y'all ain't never dropped nothing like that. So don't even try. Don't even try. Don't even try. Some of you eat off the floor. We on 10. About you ready to cut it down, man. So you do about 10 minutes, I'm out. I'm gonna say this later on tonight. Eat the rest of this when I get up to the lounge. That's right. Got a little sauce going over there. Keep that. Whoa. Some good eating. No lie. You want to start losing some of that weight? Do stuff like this. Stay away from the bread as much as possible. Wraps are a little different. They're a little lighter. They're not as heavy as bread, cornbread and muffins and stuff like that. You know, I ain't no muscle type cat, but I eat pretty decent. You know, stay away from a lot of fried food. Well, that's how you do it. Then that weight starts dropping off. Probably why I don't gain no weight. Then I walk. I do like 10 to 20,000 steps a day. Right with that hit, that chicken was just hitting. That thing 1,000. I'm about to get out of here. I gotta go to work. how did you just run? That's the end of my day struggle. I'm good for the rest of the day, my boy. And I'm out. Like, subscribe. Hit them likes, baby. Hit them likes. Hit them likes, baby. Run that thing up. One and only. First one to do this. Truck bang, baby. Truck bang, mukbang. Yes, sir. Last thing before I go. Why when I went in there and ordered my shrimp fried rice, my chicken fried rice, it just popped in my head, the guy, Gary. He's a comedian, white comedian, Gary Holmes. When he said he had got high. And say he went in a restaurant, he was talking like, just in his head popped up like, because it was a Chinese restaurant, talking like a Chinese. It just popped in my head when I ordered shrimp fried rice. I don't know why that was. I just thought that was so funny. It was hilarious. And I'm out. Peace. Y'all have a good day. God bless.